Hi teachers, in this video I'm going to show you how to retrieve from Canvas Commons Backman's templates that they have offered to share. Shout out and public thanks to Backman's team for sharing these with all of us. So first I need to build a shell course. I'm just going to call it Backman Lower Grade. They have a lower grade and an upper grade template that they've shared. So I need to create a course to put that content into. All right, then I'm going to come over here and import from Commons. Then I'm going to use the filter tool, activate that, and I'm just going to click on Salt Lake City Schools. And then I'm going to just type in Backman. Okay, you can see there are the two templates that they've shared. And we're going to do lower grade this time. And this is their homepage template. So I'm going to open that up. I can preview it, but I'm just going to go ahead and import download. I'm going to find the course I want to insert it into, Backman lower grade, go to the bottom, import into course.